Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. If you are here new to this channel, so this is Mithun. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks for studies including IP and objective. So in this video, I'm going to unbox a product from Samsung. It's nothing but the Samsung Galaxy A9. So I just wanna buy A9 Plus model, but there's no stock for the compatible version with 5G. So I had decided to buy A9 with 5G, so which costs around 16,499, and I have also bought a cover for this tab which costs 349. So in this video I'm only going to unbox the tablet, and in the next video I'm gonna tell you about the features and my first review, that means first impression for this. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. If you like the video, bang the like button. So let's go to the main topic of unboxing. The contents that are provided in this tab are a tablet, data cable, ejector pin, and quick start guide from Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 or A9 Plus. Does not include a travel adapter. So these are some of the contents that are provided in the box.